Matroska Video, MKV, is a container that can hold unlimited audio and subtitle tracks. If Windows can't play it, you just need a player with the right splitter, like VLC. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's play it. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your MKV, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional fail-safe. The MKV file extension is associated with no sound fix. While typically a Matroska video file, in this context, it refers to a modified or patched video file intended to resolve audio issues. This might involve re-encoding the audio stream, adding a missing audio track, or correcting synchronization problems within the video container. The MKV file format's design rules, in this specific context, involve modifications to the original Matroska container to address audio problems. This may include re-encoding audio streams, adjusting audio codecs, or embedding new audio tracks. The goal is to ensure proper audio playback without compromising video quality or compatibility. The MKV format has primary linkage to the video editing software application by Video Solutions, Inc. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read. Windows gives a functional preview, but multi-track editing requires dedicated video tools. To open this specific MKV file, right-click your file and select Open With. If video editing software is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Testing is the only way to be sure. If the MKV file is still giving you trouble, relax. The system is rejecting the file for specific technical reasons. Before we apply the universal fix, let's review the most common causes of the failure. First, use VLC Media Player. Download and open VLC Media Player, then drag the MKV file into it to play high-definition video with subtitles. Next, install K-Lite Codec Pack. Install the K-Lite Codec Pack to allow the standard Windows Media Player to recognize and play the .mkv video format. Finally, use Handbrake. If the file won't play, use the free Handbrake tool to convert the MKV into a more universal MP4 video file. When every program on your system rejects your MKV file, it's often a sign of a duplicate identity where different apps use the same three-letter label for different things. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your MKV file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session. This solution comes directly from my professional file integrity workflow.